Hey guys, what's going on? Going to go through the MagniZone indicator today and how well it worked on SPY yet again. So I'm trying to do these daily to keep you guys updated on how the system works, like on a day-to-day basis. So this is one of the best systems I've ever come across. It works 80% of the time, sometimes 90% of the time. It's not perfect, obviously, but I'll leave a link in the description to come out and check out the landing page right here, where you can see some examples of the indicator working and also read a bit more about it. There's tons of information on this page about the MagniZone indicator from Ben Lazier. And this is definitely a different indicator, and it works on support and resistance, not lagging indicators like MACD and RSI and stuff like that. It works on things like support and resistance, and I think volume as well comes into it, which is kind of key to having an indicator that's not too lagging, that's almost like a leading indicator. So anyway, come and check out this page. There's tons of information on it. There's loads and loads of examples and explanations and things. So definitely come and check it out. The offer's down the bottom. I think it's $297 for lifetime plus 60-day money back guarantee, which is phenomenal. Let's have a look. Yeah, well, no, it's a 365-day money back guarantee on this one. It's really good. And then the price is $297. So really good. Anyway, it's my favorite indicator right now. I think it's probably one of the best out there for 1 minute SPY. And also, it's supposed to be used on longer time frames as well. So it doesn't just work on the 1 minute, but I know a lot of people like to do the 1 minute on SPY. So let's have a look and see how it did today. So this is the 1 minute on SPY. You can see there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 signals today. So not a lot, but that's good because they're high quality signals. In fact, almost all of them worked out to some degree or another today. So you can see this first breakout sell, it immediately went straight down, all the way down here. Definitely a winner. This bounce by was a lot smaller, but it definitely did bounce for a couple of candles at least. So if you've got the right risk reward in place here, you should have at least got some profit on this one right here. Then this breakout sell worked quite well all the way down to here, which is good. You can see it respected this line pretty well here. There wasn't a signal, but it did reject off that line quite well as well. That's not included in the 9 signals here, obviously, because it doesn't always alert. There's a lot of criteria that go into actually alerting. Here you can see it was a nice rejection bound sell off of the resistance line, and then straight into a breakout buy, which was one of the best signals of the day, going all the way up here to the next level. This is the only signal that didn't work today. This bound sell never came to anything, and instead it flipped straight to a breakout buy. So you really wouldn't have lost much money on this at all. Not at all. So it was a very quick switch to a breakout buy. And then this one actually might have been the best of the day because it went sideways for a while, but look how high it went after that. Pretty amazing. Again, you can see that it rejected off this key level, so no signal, but you could use that as well. Same with the bounce here, pretty solid. So even when there's no signals, they still follow simple bouncing from support and resistance pretty well. Then the last 2 signals were a bounce sell, which actually did work this time. So it worked out really well, get out this big red candle, and then another breakout buy as we broke up through here, and then the day closed up here. So you can see the system, I think 9 or 10 signals a day is more than enough. And I think if you wanted more, you could use the bounces off the levels as well. Wait for a confirmation candle, for example, like here. You can see we were holding this and then this red candle came in. You could say, okay, this looks like it's probably going to reject from that line, and sure enough it did. Same with this one, you could wait until a green candle printed. Nice solid bullish green candle here. Probably indicates that this was the local bottom, and it was. So these levels are really useful. If you want more trades, you can take more trades, but 9 trades a day is quite a lot as it is, to be honest, unless you're a crackhead day trader, which I used to be, but I'm not so much anymore. Anyway, hopefully that's helpful. I like to show the results daily if I can. I'm not sure how long I'll be able to keep it up for, but hopefully you guys get some value out of these videos. And then come and check out the page for purchasing it if you want to get a hold of this and try it. It's nothing really to lose. You've got 365-day money back guarantee, and you could paper trade it for a while. and then figure out whether you really like it or not. It definitely works. It's just whether it's your style or not, or you can figure out a system around the signals in terms of when to take profit and when to stop out. All right, hopefully that's helpful, and I'll talk to you guys soon.